See the sign says Delta. Go this way. Alright, that makes sense. More sense. Delta over here. You might even be waiting over here. Let's see. Now we can look at the big screen. Might even show Rochester. From Rochester, New York. There she is, 847, carousel number 4. Guess what? Look what's showing up right now. Okay, that was carousel 4. And I just let my brother know that I'm going to be at S5. Pick me up. As you can see, we got a nice rainstorm. He says he'll be here in about 10 minutes. Looks like they're doing the exact same thing that Rochester's done. Gonna put a big old canopy over the top. They're working on it. Looks like that's gonna be a general. Then you won't have this mess to go through. That's been an awesome idea. It says it's gonna be a silver Silverado. That's not silver. Wow. But that's an awesome idea. You're gonna have a full canopy and you won't have to worry about getting wet. Actually, it's going to be a silver F-150. Sorry about that, you Chevy people. This is about 10 minutes. S5 pickup. But that'll be awesome once they get that canopy up. That's huge. That is awesome. I don't know how long those canopies will last though. Might get 5-10 years out of them before they have to keep patching them. I don't know, unless they're doing something special. Should be any minute now. The Tundra. Everything went just like clockwork. Other than we're a half hour late because of the weather. It's gotta be rainy and about 60 degrees. That it was enough. This will be awesome though. We're covering a lot of space. Cars here in Georgia don't have front license plates, just the rear. There's a New York plate. First pass around. Oh, sweet. That's an anniversary there. Very nice. Very nice. I like it. You see, the pigeons are really friendly. Can't get a heads up on that. Meet again. Yeah. Too bad we can't get a heads up on coming around that corner there. All right, here he is. Here's my ride. Houses, right? This is all old housing now.
Oh, back there, the pretty much level. It's back there on the other side. I'll show you. This is the way I go now instead of Riverdale.
Oh. Riverdale was the old way Dad used to
Well,
come through, right?
Dad said, "Well, we go down Riverdale." I said, "Well, they've done everything back there. I can't get back over there like you want to."
Okay.
And this is all in the past year.
Okay.
I mean, year for over here.
Right.
This is the Southwest hangar right here. That one.
Can't really see one here. Oh, okay. That's not your. Is that your hangar? That's not your hangar. Right?
No, there's my hangar right there.
That's
the
Dad's.
East hangar.
And that's Dad's old hangar.
You remember that one.
Yep. Yep. He brought me up
right there.
once or twice.
And they just stay right
There. Yep. I remember. They still got the colors.
Slightly, but on the back side they
So they
repainted
repainted it. Okay, to the Delta red, and there you go.
Yeah, you'll see the back side right here. They've really done a good job on this.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, look. Yeah. I can't believe I'm
Yep, Dad worked there for 20
years.
20 years. That's
I
what
can't believe I'm
you followed it, and you're still going.
yeah.
You'll be 30. You'll do a 30 year.
Oh yeah. You know this. It's a grill.
Oh really?
This right here, that engine thing.
Is it really?
It's a grill.
You couldn't grill into it.
Yeah, this is the big zone. I never thought I'd ever make it here.
Well, it took you what? 5 years? 10 years to get into Delta to start with? Because of your height?
You know, I think it was the first time it was the height. Yeah. I actually got an interview. But they just, this is the museum over here now.
Oh,
and they
okay.
parked
An old 747.
Yeah.
And then
C9.
the C9 is, which is now the
57 over there. 757.
would they that's what I came in basically. It was on a DC9, right?
You came in a
Little
90.
A 90, which is
Really quiet.
yeah, very nice
90.
flight.
We're retiring them all. They'll be gone in 2 years.
Those, really?
All T-tails will be gone in 2 years.
All T-tails, which is what those are right there.
T-tails.
Real.
T-tails.
What are they going to go to? Those are T-tails.
They're going to be going to a Brazil aircraft.
No kidding.
It's called an A220.
Don't have them here yet.
We have a couple.
Do you?
And they're not going to be in a T-tail. They're basically a small. There are 2 seats on both sides, all the way down, and it's like the 37, but it's just 2 seats all the way down.
Oh.
And all the way down, just 2 seats.
They really don't have anything in the 747 style anymore, do they?
No 4 engines.
Nothing that big.
No MD-11s. No, they have 2 engines.
Okay.
They're 777.
Okay.
Between 2 2017 and 2018,
Okay.
650,000 people came to Atlanta, Georgia. Georgia.
Really? How many?
Now think of it.
Again?
650,000. 2,000 a day.
Day. Moved to Georgia.
Moved to Georgia.
Wow.
They don't even have the census for this year.
That's incredible.
For 2018 in the population.
Yep. I believe it.
Philadelphia is we're gonna beat Philadelphia next.
Well, nobody wants to get out of the north.
Yeah, they're coming down here
I
and
know,
making this
exactly.
a damn Democrat state.
Uh-huh.
Damn it.
Uh-huh.
They did it.
Yep.
Now you know where you've come to though. This
Sounds good.
this is the black. We're gonna go through Clay County. Clay
Okay.
County is the black capital of the world.
Really?
It's damn.
And of course, Robert was in the jail system until he retired. It was Clayton County.
Yeah. Well, yeah. There's more blacks here in jail than anywhere